Today, I've decided to visit the Bambu Lab MakerWorld retail store. The moment I walked in, I knew this was a space made for people who love creating. Everywhere I look, there was something inspiring. Not just the 3D printers, but the ideas behind every display. Exploring the Bambu Lab machines up close made me appreciate the thought behind every detail. Choosing the right filament is part of the process. I lean closer, study the details, and enjoy what Bambu Lab makes possible. Some pieces impress me, some makes me laugh, and some bring out the curious maker in me. What inspires me is seeing how differently others approach 3D printing. I left with new ideas and even more excitement to start creating again. I'm Eddie Putera. This is my maker's journey with 3D Express.my and Bambu Lab.